everybody, it is Dingle here and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing super duper well. Guys, today I am back at you with another video, and this time I am talking about 5 super simple, easy ways that keep my skin clear. Now, disclaimer, I don't have 100% clear skin. I am very envious of the people who do have 100% clear skin. They probably get facials like every 2 weeks or something like that. It's absolutely crazy. But I would consider my skin on the clearer side of things. I am wearing a baby face today, aka no makeup. I have lip balm on that like happens to be tinted, but you can see like sometimes I have like a blemish or two. I'm sure as most girls I do wish that like my complexion was perfect and everything, but these are the 5 simple ways that I keep my skin looking as fresh as humanly possible. Before we dive into it, if you are new and are just seeing my face, hello, my name is Dingle. It is so nice to meet you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos such as these. I do lifestyle, vlogs, I play Sims. And this goes for everybody. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up before you leave. And without further ado, let's get into the tips for keeping your skin clear. Okay, this one probably goes without saying, but wash your face. It's like that book that's out right now that I like see all over the shelves. It's like trending or whatever. But wash your gosh darn face. Seriously, I can almost guarantee that if you don't wash your face, whether it's the morning, the night, both times, you will not have the clearest skin that you can. The amount of dirt and dead skin buildup, which sounds so gross, but it's so true, that happens during the day is so much. Like, I saw this video one time and it was absolutely scarring, so please just wash your face. It will help so much and your pores will thank you for it. This also goes without saying, but if you don't clear out your pores, that's where the buildup happens and that's where zits come in, and that's where a not so clear face comes from. So wash your face, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I use to wash my face. A few months ago, a company called Dingle reached out to me and they gifted me their spin care system. I had never had a spin brush before, so I was like, sure, let's review it, let's go for it. And my husband and I, Jack, have fallen in absolute love with it. We're constantly fighting over like who gets the spin brush first when we're washing our face. The bristles have gotten a little warm because we've got 2 people like using one brush. But I'm so happy and so grateful because Dingle reached out to me once again and gifted me their newest spin care system. This is called their Brilliant Spin Care System. The main differences between the Brilliant Spin Care System and the Radiance one that we had before is this one comes with 2 speeds, which is so dope, and it also comes with a few more heads. It comes with 2 cleansing heads. This one right here is the exfoliating one. The bristles are still very soft, but they are just like a little more rough for the exfoliating effect. It then comes with this super soft cleansing one. Like, I cannot tell you how flipping soft this is. Rub it all over my face, quite honestly. Oh, it just feels so good. It comes with this body cleansing brush, which Jack and I use a lot. We use it mainly on our shoulders to just cleanse it a little bit, get the dirt and grime out of the places that show when we're wearing tank tops and things like that. And then the Brilliance one comes with this pumice stone for like your hands, your feet, smooth them out a little bit, get all the dead skin off, which is really helpful. And then it also comes with this nail file, which is so dope. Haven't used it. Looks really cool. Then it also comes with this stand, so it fits nicely in there, looks super cute on your sink, and I'm obsessed with it. Something else about the Dingle brush, which I am so obsessed with, is it is literally waterproof. I'm not a person that likes to wash their hair outside of the shower. I'd rather just get everything done in one foul swoop. I'm actually very shocked that I don't brush my teeth in the shower also. But it's waterproof, you can take it in the shower, and that's exactly what I do. I take the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a cleanser. I've been obsessed with this. This came in my Sephora Play box, the last one that I ever had. And you just take a little dollop onto your Dingle spin brush, rub it in a little bit, and start cleansing your face. I cannot tell you how good it feels, how sudsy your face gets, how deep in the pores it feels that you are cleansing. It's absolutely amazing, quite honestly. I go ahead, I rub it in a little bit afterwards, after I'm done cleansing with the brush. Then I just go ahead and rinse off the Dingle brush, place it nicely back on my shower shelf for the next time I'm ready to cleanse. I honestly can feel so confident to say that my skin has stayed clear and just looked much more even and radiant because I have started to use a spin brush. And I'm so happy to announce that you can use code DINGLE70 for 70% off any skincare product or hair care product that Dingle has on their site. I'm talking 70% off. That is so much. So honestly, if you have been putting off buying one of the spin care systems that you see online because they are so expensive, this is the time to snag snag one, use code DINGLE70 and let me know how much you love it, because I know that you will. Tip number 2 that I have for you all goes with tip number 1 of washing your face. Take your flipping makeup off. I'm telling you, I used to leave my makeup on out of laziness all the time in college. My skin did not thank me for it, and ever since I have been making sure to take my makeup off whenever I do wear makeup during the day. Life changing, people. Just please take it off. It clogs your pores so easily, and it's just as easy to take it off before you go to sleep. The facial cleansing wipes that I use, I've talked about these so much, but they are the Simple Skin Experts cleansing facial wipes. Absolutely love these. They do not leave my skin feeling oily or like they have something on them or anything like that. Love these so much. They do a really great job at removing my makeup and also cleansing my skin at the same time, so I'm obsessed with those. Tip number 3 I will talk about is moisturizing. Moisture. That might sound kind of contradictive to people, and I understand why, because I used to think the same exact thing. Because if you're like adding moisture or like oil to your skin, that might clog your pores more, create more acne, etc. However, science has proven, don't quote me on this, I've just read articles on it, but if you don't moisture your skin will feel very dry, it knows that it's dry, and it will produce more oils naturally, which in turn will clog your skin. Also, moisturizing is just so good for the longevity of your skin, the elasticity, the hydration of it. It's just really good. So moisturize. And if you have oily skin such as myself, look no further. I have used this moisturizer for over 2 years now. It is the Clinique Dramatically Different Oil-Free Moisturizer or something. I know I have a clip of it, so you guys can just like read what it is, but it's the oil-free one specifically. Love it so much. Wear it every single day. My face never feels oily or sticky after using it, and I probably will never use a different moisturizer, because why would I do that if I found this one? It's perfect. It's perfect. Tip number 4 for you all is water. I was that person that never drank enough water, I promise you, so I get it. I've been there, done that, never going back. Water is your lifesaver. I personally do not know the science behind water and like keeping your skin clear. I'm sure it has something to do with flushing out the toxins and stuff, but everyone says this tip for a reason, and I totally agree with it. And since I was not a fan of drinking a lot of water, or I would forget, or like it would just seem like a really big task, I got myself a simple water bottle from Starbucks. It's refillable, it has a straw, and I think the main thing that saves me is the straw factor. It's so easy to just lean over or grab and sip, rather than like driving and like doing one of these maneuvers, which is so unsafe, and also you definitely inevitably just spill water all over yourself. I've learned straws work for me. I drink a lot more water when I have straws, and so I totally recommend picking one of these up. I think I got it for like 10 bucks when it was on sale at Starbucks. These things go for like 5 bucks over at Walmart, so do yourself a favor, grab yourself a water bottle with a straw and watch your skin dramatically change. And the last tip that I have for you all is not necessarily the most easiest or necessarily the most accessible or applies to everyone. I totally understand, but I am just telling you what has worked for me, and that is birth control. My birth control journey, I could probably make an entire video about it, quite honestly. I've tried multiple different kinds, and I finally stumbled upon one that really works for me. And believe it or not, I know a lot of you probably already know this, but birth control can be taken for a lot of different reasons other than not trying to get pregnant. So I started taking birth control before I even met Jack, because of a bunch of different health reasons. But one of the things that I have found is it cleared up my skin so much. I can't say during my teenage years I had a lot of acne, but I definitely had acne, like for sure. I would have some kind of like on my chin, on my forehead as well. I had all these like small bumps that would happen on my forehead that were really annoying, and I was just very prone to it. If I didn't wash my face, didn't take off my makeup, I was for sure gonna break out. Probably like most teenagers, quite honestly, but as soon as I started taking birth control, it's probably the thing that helped my skin the absolute most. Again, you can take birth control for a lot of different reasons. If you are ever interested in birth control, I am not here to tell you that it's amazing, that you should totally go for it, and I'm not advising anyone to take it. Talk to your mom, talk to your doctor. I'm not a professional, don't quote me. It's just worked for me. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you have any other tips for clear skin that you have found work, please share them with us in the comments below. I probably didn't speak about some of the things that have worked personally for you, and everybody's skin is different, so I'm super curious what has worked for your skin. If you're new and have not hit the subscribe button yet, make sure you do so for more videos such as these, as I post 2 videos at least every single week, so I would love to have you in our little community we have on this corner of the interweb. Everybody, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and And this week's post notification shout out, my friends, goes to Megan for Life 86. Megan for Life 86, thank you so much for having your post notifications turned on for my channel. I love you so much. If you all would like a chance to be in my next video, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, let me know that you've done so in the comments, and you could be in my next video. I love you all so much, and I will catch you in my next one. I'll see you later. Bye.
Still cleanse. Much exfoliant. So when you said film to your heart's content, you mean film to your heart's content?
Yes. I'm getting soap in my mouth.
Oh, exfoliation! Oh!
Can you come closer? Bobby, what?
I'm zoomed in on your face. I'm getting soaked.